This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
So, I ordered this from eBay right here. I've seen some other people on Instagram and Facebook or whatever, YouTube, talking about it. You know, my 2013 Fusion has one of these new school ones where there's no key. But my 2013 Mustang still has the old key thing. So I went on eBay and I got this one right here. I already took it to Walmart and they cut it up for me. I think it was like $2 or $3. I can't even remember. So this is what comes in the box. The fob. Nice little Mustang emblem. And the directions. Alright, let's get this bad boy programmed and in the car. You want to get your factory keys. Turn the ignition off, on and off 8 times. If you do it right, you'll hear the door lock cycle itself. 2, 5. Okay, that was the door. She just unlocked herself. Now you want to push the a button on each one of the chirpers. Then turn the ignition off. Alright, let's see if it works. Factory. Factory. And the new one. See if the trunk opened up. Hit it twice. Okay, now the trunk's open. Alright, that's how you program the fob functions. Now let's program the chip inside the key. Alright, you want to have both of your factory keys here. What you're going to do is stick your key in the ignition and wait for the red light to come on. Then once that red light goes off, you take the key out, put the next key in, do the same with all 3 keys. Let's go. Off. Next key. Red light on. Off. Get your final key. Stick it in. Off. Now turn it off. Now turn it on and see if it starts. Alright, there you have it.